In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident setting up meetings, choosing the right options, and making sure everyone gets the correct invite. Let's start from inside Microsoft Teams. On the left-hand side, look for the calendar icon. Go ahead and click that to open your Teams calendar. This calendar is tied to your work or school account, so anything you schedule here will also appear in your Outlook calendar if your organization uses Outlook. In the top right corner of the calendar view, you'll see a button labeled New Meeting. Click that, and a meeting creation form will open. This is where you'll set up all the key details. At the top, give your meeting a clear, descriptive title. For example, instead of just Meeting, you might use something like Weekly Project Sync or Client Check-in. A good title makes it easier for participants to know what to expect. Next, add the required attendees. Click in the Add Required Attendees field and start typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. Teams will suggest contacts from your organization directory. If you're inviting external guests, just type their full email address. They'll receive a regular email invite with a link to join, even if they don't use Teams regularly. Now, set the date and time. Pick the start and end time that works best. If your team is in different time zones, double-check that the time zone shown is correct for you, because Teams will automatically adjust for everyone else. If this is a recurring meeting, such as a weekly stand-up or a monthly review, open the recurrence options. Change it from Does Not Repeat to Daily, Weekly, Monthly, or a custom schedule that matches your needs. This saves you from having to send a new invite every time. You can also choose the meeting channel if you want the meeting to live inside a specific team and channel. This is useful when you want all meeting chats, recordings, and files to stay organized with that team's conversations. In the description box, add an agenda or any important notes, like links to documents or expectations for what you'll cover. This helps everyone come prepared. Once you've reviewed the title, attendees, time, recurrence, channel, and description, click Save or Send. Teams will send calendar invitations to everyone you've added, and your meeting will appear in your calendar, ready for you to join when the time comes.